to our video on how to sell products online. Whether you are a small business owner, a crafter, or an artist, selling your products online can be a great way to reach new customers and grow your business. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know to start selling your products online, whether you're setting up your own online store or opening a shop on a platform like Etsy. So, let's get started. Hey, before we dive into the video, I wanted to take a quick moment to ask you to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll never miss out on our latest videos and updates. We're committed to providing valuable content on how to sell products online, and we would love for you to be a part of our community. By subscribing, you'll also be supporting our channel and helping us to continue creating more great content for you. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest videos. Thanks for your support, and let's get into the video. Before we dive into the specifics of how to sell your products online, let's first talk about why selling online is such a great opportunity for your business. For starters, it allows you to reach customers from all over the world, which means more sales and more exposure for your brand. Additionally, setting up an online store is often more affordable than renting a physical storefront, which can save you money in the long run. Finally, with the rise of e-commerce, more and more people are shopping online, which means that there's a huge potential customer base just waiting for you to tap into. So, now that we've established why selling online is such a great opportunity, let's talk about how to do it. The first step is to decide where you want to sell your products. You can either set up your own online store or sell on a platform like Etsy. If you're thinking about setting up your own online store, there are a few things to consider. First, you'll need to choose a platform to build your store on. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and Squarespace. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that's right for you. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to decide on a domain name and design your store. It's important to choose a domain name that's easy to remember and reflects your brand. When it comes to designing your store, keep in mind that simplicity is key. You want your store to be easy to navigate and visually appealing, so customers will want to stay and browse. If you're thinking about selling on a platform like Etsy, the process is a bit different. Etsy is a marketplace for handmade, vintage, and unique items, so it's important to make sure your products fit within their guidelines. You'll also need to create a shop name and design your shop banner and profile picture. Like with setting up your own online store, it's important to keep your branding consistent and visually appealing. Once you've set up your online store or Etsy shop, the next step is to start marketing your products. One of the best ways to do this is through social media. Choose the platforms that are most relevant to your target audience and start sharing your products. You can also consider running ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Another way to market your products is through email marketing. Start building a list of email subscribers by offering a discount or freebie in exchange for their email address. Then, send regular emails showcasing your products and offering exclusive discounts. Finally, don't forget about the power of search engine optimization. SEO. Make sure your product descriptions